Hello, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the leaf icon with the lightning bolt on it. This is the power saving mode icon or battery saver mode icon. To enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically you have access to the time, steps, date, and the battery. Rest of the features are blocked basically. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, simply press and hold the select button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, like this. And now we are back into normal mode and we can use rest of the features. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.